Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Learning Online YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to solve a derivative numerical which is x square times sec ax minus b. So without any further delay, let's get started how to solve such numerical. So I will write solution here, and let us assume that we have y equals to x square times sec ax minus b. Next, what we will do, we will start the solution. So as we are finding the derivative, so we will write here dy upon dx equals to derivative of x square times sec ax minus b bracket close divided by dx. In place of y we put the given numerical problem. Next, as you can see, this is in the form of u times v. Let me write this. This is in the form of derivative of u times v upon dx, and I hope you remember the formula, that is derivative of u times v upon dx is u times dv upon dx plus v times du upon dx. So we will use this formula here. So we will write here x square times derivative of, in place of b we have sec ax minus b upon derivative of ax minus b times derivative of ax minus b upon dx. Okay, plus in place of v we have sec ax minus b upon derivative of x square upon dx. Next, on this x square will come as it is, and derivative of sec, because we here we have sec. Let me show you with color pen. Here we have sec ax plus b. We have sec ax plus b. So while doing the derivative, we are supposed to do is we have to consider ax plus b as theta, so that we are differentiating with respect to d theta, d sec theta upon d theta. So in place of theta we have ax plus b, so we did here sec ax plus b and ax plus b, and now we have ax plus b remaining, so we will expand it as d ax plus b upon dx. Let me clarify this again. So whenever we are finding derivatives of, suppose we have sine ax plus b upon dx, we apply the product rule here. So we will write it as sine ax plus b upon d ax plus b times d ax plus b upon dx, because this and this gets cancelled out, which means that we can write this in this form also, and we can simply find the derivative of this portion, because if the b is acting as constant, so it automatically gets 0, and here is one variable, so we are able to find the derivative of this variable also. That's why we have to expand the problem when we are finding the derivative. So that is what I have done here. Now proceed with the numerical. So we have derivative of sec ax plus ax minus b will be sec ax minus b times tan ax minus b times, and derivative of ax upon dx, because we have to split this, we have d ax minus b upon dx. So we will write here a times dx upon dx minus derivative of b upon dx. So this gets 1 and this gets 0, so we will have here a plus sec ax minus b times 2x. So now we can take common from here, so we can take sec ax minus b common and 1x from here common. So we will write here x times sec ax minus b and bracket start x times tan ax minus b plus 2, use curly bracket. This is our answer. Let's solve one more numerical example. Suppose we are asked to find the derivative of 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. So we will write here solution. Let we have y equals to 1 plus sin x upon 1 minus sin x. Now we will find the derivative. So dy upon dx equals to d 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x times dx. Now again this is in the form of u by v, so we have the formula, that is v times, let me write the formula for finding the derivative of the form u by v. So derivative of u upon v with respect to x is v times du upon dx minus u times dv upon dx by v squared. So we will write here v means 1 minus sin x times d 1 plus sin x upon dx minus 1 plus sin x times d 1 minus sin x upon dx by 1 minus sin x whole square. So we will write here 1 minus sin x times derivative of 1 plus sin x times 1 plus sin x by dx. So again it is going to be d1 derivative of 1 by dx plus derivative sin x by dx. So derivative sin x is cos x minus 1 plus sin x times derivative again 1 is 0 and minus sin x is minus cos x upon 1 minus sin x whole square. Now we will do the multiplication here. So we have here cos x times 1 is cos x minus sin x times cos x plus cos x plus sin x times cos x upon 1 minus whole square. So this and this gets cancelled out, so we have 2 cos x upon 1 minus sin x whole square. And this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any kind of confusion, then you can write me, either leave the comment or write me on my email, that is civillearningon@gmail.com. I will provide the email in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and take care of yourself.